Islam and Quran and Hadith, they prescribe hijab. Allah says in the Quran in Surah Nur chapter 24 verse number 30, it first speaks about hijab for the man. Ya alladhina amanu, oh you believe, lower your gaze and protect your modesty. Whenever a man looks at a woman and any brazen thought comes in his mind, he should lower his gaze. That is the hijab for the man. For the woman, the next verse, Surah Nisa chapter 24 verse 31, say to the believing woman, she should lower her gaze and guard her modesty and display not her beauty except what appears ordinary of. There are basically 6 criteria for hijab given in the Quran and the Hadith. Number 1 is the extent. For the man, it's from the navel to the knee. For the woman, the complete body should be covered. The only parts that can be seen are the face and hands up to the wrist. Some say that even the face should be covered. The remaining 5 criteria are the same for the man and the woman. The clothes they wear should not be tight-fitting so that it reveals the figure. Number 3, it should not be translucent or transparent so that you can see through the clothes. Number 4, it should not be so glamorous so that it attracts the opposite sex. Number 5, it should not resemble that of the opposite sex. And number 6, it should not resemble that of the unbelievers. These are the 6 criteria for hijab. And people ask me that why hijab should be done. I tell them that if there are 2 twin sisters who are very beautiful, equally beautiful, if they are walking down the streets of Sokoto, and if one sister, one lady, she is wearing a complete hijab, Islamic hijab, complete body covered, only part seen is face and hand to the wrist. And the second twin sister, she's a Westerner, wearing mini skirts or shorts with a low neck. And if they're walking down the streets of New York or Sokoto, and if round the corner there is a hooligan who's waiting for a catch, to tease a girl, which girl will he tease? Will he tease the girl wearing the Islamic hijab, or will he tease the girl wearing the Western clothes, mini skirts and shorts? Which girl will he tease? Which girl? Mini skirts, correct. Simple question, simple answer. Allah says in Surah Azab, chapter 33, verse 59, O Prophet, tell your wives and your daughters and the believing women, when they go abroad, they should put on the cloak so that they shall be recognized. So hijab has been prescribed to prevent the women from being molested, to protect them. So Quran has the solution for obscenity, for east teasing, for pornography.